Hello, good evening, everybody. Orgasmicpathways.com. Choose your pathways. Today we're going to do another nightcap beverage, a little different than the other night. It's just going to be aloe vera juice or aloe vera gel and water. And if you want to add other optional ingredients, that would be maybe lemon juice, maybe Bragg's apple cider vinegar. There's certainly a common theme here, a common denominator with that stuff. I use lemon juice, organic lemon juice, Bragg's apple cider vinegar for a lot of things. Now we're going to use aloe vera juice. And if you want to mix those other ingredients in there, you can do that too. So this is sort of like a mocktail, an evening nightcap mocktail. It's pretty good. So I go pretty heavy with this. I will fill about a 1-to-1 ratio, or maybe 75%, 25%, 75% being the aloe vera juice. Now for this, I'm actually using the gel. The only reason I'm using the gel right now is because I saw a killer discounted price at the grocery store. So I just picked it up. So with this, if you use the gel, just get a fork and stir it. So that's so minimum I'm doing half aloe vera juice or gel in this case. If you use the juice, you don't have to stir it. But if you do use the gel, it'll be a little chunky if you don't stir it. So that'll be enough right there. But it kind of goes down like a cocktail, you know? But it's a mocktail because there's no alcohol. Now the aloe vera, like with everything else, look at the ingredients, make sure there's not any added sugar or anything like that. It's just aloe vera juice or aloe vera gel. And enjoy it. Obviously, the more aloe vera gel or juice versus water, the stronger it's going to be. But this is very good for your gut health, for cleansing, for detoxing your microbiome. It's amazing stuff. So we got a whole menu of items we can have for our nightcaps, our breakfasts, our meals, different things we can do to detox gently on a daily basis, to cleanse ourselves gently on a daily basis, give ourselves good, calming, sustainable energy, create that healthy microbiome in our gut. It's so important. If your gut is healthy, your whole digestive tract, then life is going to be so much easier. Everything is more comfortable. You can sleep better. You'll have better energy. You can digest your food better and get the nutrients, the nutrition out of the calories that you're eating to put to work in your body to build a healthy immune system. A lot of our problems that we have is because we're not digesting food in an efficient, healthy way. So that's why my diet, more than anything, focuses on digestive health. And by default, that's also going to take care of heart health, lungs, blood. And if you're taking care of your blood, well, your blood goes everywhere throughout your body, your circulatory system. Every cell of all 1 trillion cells of your body is being nourished by your blood. So your gut health, a million reasons to take care of your gut and eat a plant-based whole food diet that is centered around optimal gut health, digested the whole intestinal and digestive tract. So enjoy that bit of knowledge and act on it every day. And next video coming soon. Enjoy this. It's a good night for a nightcap, as every night is, right? I'm going to go in there, play my guitar, maybe do a live feed, some music. So when you go to orgasmicpathways.com, choose your paths. Some of that is music. A lot of it is health and fitness. So cherry pick from there, whatever your druthers. And I'll see you again soon, okay? Bye for now.